Okay, this is like my favorite right now. Yeah, it was.
How did it just break?
I have no idea. It was tight back, but I think it was lady.
Yeah.
Those are crazy big.
Yeah. Hey guys, so it's been a minute. We know that.
It's been a while.
I know you guys know that. We've had some questions asking, you know, that, or not even asking. You guys have said that you missed us, and you know, we're excited to continue doing videos. We just have a lot of other things that are a little bit more priority. Obviously, we love to garden. We're still out here gardening, but there's some family things that are a little bit more priority than what's happening out here in the garden.
But every day is a garden day. We've been out here doing something every single day. The planning is still going on. But there is just one thing that we didn't get to share with you all in the beginning of the season. We did mention it, but we never went ahead and showed it because we just didn't, it didn't come through for us for spring, which are zinnias.
Yeah.
And right now that's what's going on. We went ahead and planted them for fall.
Yes.
Direct sow. And that was one of our oldest daughters that went ahead and planted. And that's another reason too, we've been kind of like, you know, gone, because you know, the birdie, our little birdie, she's gonna get going pretty soon, and she wanted to experience growing zinnias. And we've been spending a lot of time, you know, the whole family, but with her especially, because she wanted to, you know, spend some time doing this before she gets going, because she wants to do her own thing too when, you know, when she finally settles down and gets her own place. But yeah, we decided to do 2 varieties.
We did, yes.
And one of them is called Precious Metals.
Yep, that's the one you're gonna see up here. You won't be able to see the ones back here. We'll show you footage of that, but these are up here, Precious Metals.
And then the second one is called Unicorn. I always call it rainbow because the colors are just like a rainbow, but it's unicorn mix. And they're from the Florets variety of the seeds. I always forget how to say Florets Flower Farm.
There you go.
Seeds. But yeah, they're beautiful. So I guess we'll go ahead and start showing them to you because I'm very, very excited that we're growing them this, at least for fall, you know?
Yeah.
For sure next spring, we'll go ahead and have them early.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So let's get going. I want to show you some of them. So let's get started with these right here. These are the Precious Metals. And they are just so pretty. I love the way, like these right here, the shape of this one right here. I'm just having such a blast watching them just open up and, you know, turn into these different forms of, you know, flowers as they're opening. And we didn't get to see a lot of them come up from the Precious Metals because they did wash out. Later on, our daughter came out here and she went ahead and planted a few more. So they're a little, Ambrose will show them, they're a little smaller and they are about to start to bloom too. And then of course, all of these right here, these are the unicorn mix. I keep on forgetting this. I want to call them rainbow. Oh my goodness, what happened to this bee here? It's passed out.
He's drunk off of pollen.
But they are so pretty. And look at this. There's another little bee. And I'm just going to end up like not even talking anymore because I just can't stop looking at the pollinators. I'm going to go to that side because that side is my favorite on the unicorn mix. So I'm going to end up disturbing all the butterflies. There was a monarch coming around already. And then this morning, I was so bummed out this morning because finally we get to have a chance to show you what's going on here. And this happens. We did wrangle them up. We tied them up. Well, my daughter did. But we have dogs. We have a lady, a bulldog, and she likes to wag her tail everywhere.
The expression what? Bull in a china shop? Yeah.
Yeah. And she broke it with her tail. She loves to come out here and actually sniff on
I need to catch video of her doing that. She smells the flowers.
She loves it. But yeah, this broke, so we'll be taking it indoors. But they are so pretty, these right here. And one of my daughter's favorites, did it break off? I think it's this one right here. It's starting to fade out already. the sun is already strong too, so I hope that the camera can capture the beautiful colors. It was very shady this morning. We had a lot of clouds, and we had planned to come out here very early, but we didn't because it was way too cloudy. Look at that. That is so pretty. This one right here.
I love that one. That pink that it has.
So tell them, because which ones are your favorite from these two varieties?
My favorite is this one. It has that, if you've never had any limelight hydrangeas, or which one is it, the little lime? Mm-hmm. They have that lime green, and then they have the antique pink that comes out. I love that color. Mm-hmm. So I'm loving this one, I think, out of all of them.
So you like the unicorn mix more?
Yeah, oh, definitely love the unicorn mix more.
Than the precious metals?
Yep, I do.
Yeah? Okay. I think I'm going to go for the unicorn one too. I thought at first the colors were just going to be way too strong, but we're living in a very hot climate, and these colors go perfect here because a lot of times the sun fades out flowers.
Yep.
And it doesn't wash out. But neither do these. This is another one of the precious metals. And holy moly, guys. Yeah,
these have some beautiful petals and stuff.
Let me remove that.
It's very sunny out here, guys, so I'm adjusting the brightness quite a bit.
That is so pretty. Look at that.
Yep. Absolutely look beautiful. So speaking of the sun, so I am adjusting the brightness quite a bit because that's one of the challenges we have out here.
This one right here
in Texas is the sun.
These are very different from the colors, the intense colors of those. I hope we're not boring you. We just wanted to go ahead and bring you along and show you what's been keeping us very happy out in the garden.
Yep.
I'm going to move towards that way.
Well, what I was explaining was, because I was talking about the challenges we have with the sun out here is one of the challenges we have is changing the brightness when we do actual videos out here. But we were talking about growing zinnias here in Texas and why we couldn't grow them in Virginia. Because we had no sun at all.
Well, we tried growing them there, but the location of the home, it was the backyard. First off, it was a very small space we had to garden, and the only sunny spot really was in the front of the home.
Yep.
And we never put the zinnias there, which we should have probably. And we decided to do them in pots, plant them in pots in the backyard. That did not work. It was way too shady. So we gave up on them. Unfortunately, we had to because it just wasn't happening for us. But
as you can see here,
there's a lot of sun here, and they love the sun. So I'm very, very happy because I had put up a post, I think last night on Instagram. There's where you will be seeing what's going on. We haven't done a lot of the YouTube because, I've been, what we said that we've been doing a lot of things, taking care of a lot of family things, just life stuff. But once in a while, I will come out on Instagram and post something on there or a Facebook group. And last night, I actually was talking about how, we are, well, for me personally, I am kind of the climate change right now for me. We were in a zone 7 in Virginia, and now we're here in a 8, 9. It's a lot different. We are from here, from San Antonio, Texas. But, we've been gone quite a while. So it is different, and we have to get used to it again, especially the gardening. And, we don't have the change of the leaves, that beautiful autumn color that you'll see all over Virginia. But we have a longer season for growing, and I love that. This is the color that we're going to have. And somebody actually left us a comment this morning and told us that I guess that, they're I'm guessing they're from here in the South. Yeah. They said that they actually have had their zinnias blooming all the way till February.
Yeah, so we're gonna be pretty lucky here because you look at first freezing date or first frost date in different areas, and in Virginia, we probably would have already had it right now, maybe November, early November. But here it says last day of November, but I mean,
it's pretty warm.
We were here all year last year, and it was pretty warm. So, and then I hear people tell me, some prominent gardeners tell me that I can start tomato seeds at Thanksgiving for next spring.
Roses are blooming till December. I see we got to see that. Got to see salvia going till then too. So that's gonna be a dream. If we're
Yep.
gonna see these guys blooming all the way till February, I'm good with that.
Yep.
Be nice to have this beautiful color. I'll be able to try out so many other zinnias. Yeah, I want to try a lot. So here's where I'm going to ask you a question, because I always love to ask you all. I know there's many of you that grow zinnias and have actually told me to please grow some. We finally got to do it. Next year we'll go ahead and do more of a step-by-step video. But I want to know, because we didn't get to order any of the short varieties of zinnias. What is, if any of you grow any short zinnias, what's your favorite short variety of the zinnias? Because I would love to add some of those. I've seen them in other places and they're just beautiful in other people's gardens, and I want some of those. But yeah, for now, we're very happy with these. Are you happy with these right here?
Very happy.
Didn't get to grow the celosia, guys. So
Yeah.
I don't know if any of y'all remember, I showed y'all the seeds, the packages too.
We can get those in next year.
It was too late.
Yeah.
It was too late to
Yeah.
we have them, we ordered them, but
Yeah.
it was too late to plant them. So got to start them off, for spring. But I guess this is it. We just wanted to go ahead and show you and share this. Do you want to come on the camera so
No,
we can
we're
say
good.
bye? You're
We're
good?
good, yep.
Just wanted to go ahead and show you. I'll let Ambrose do his little thing with the camera so y'all can see them more. Hopefully the butterflies make it back.
Yeah, yeah.
Man, I'm so happy to see how many butterflies are coming around. It's been keeping the whole family happy. Everybody's been coming out and enjoying the flowers. It's something that we just had to share with all of you, because no matter what's going on in your life, like just having a little patch of something brings so much light to you in the daytime. It just lifts you up. And this has actually made our whole month right now.
Oh yeah, definitely.
We've been very happy. Well, we will be having more videos pretty soon. We're very excited. It's time to get planting, getting some roses in the ground more. And we got a few more other surprises, other plants that we're excited to share with you as well. Pretty soon, hopefully maybe today or tomorrow, we get out here and do more videos. This is it for now. I hope that you are doing well and decorating for fall. We didn't get to do the fall thing this time around. Hopefully next season everything is back to normal and we can do that again. But we decorated with our zinnias. We will see you later. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.